Welcome back to our channel. Let's play True or False Animal Edition. Let's go. True or false? The cheetah is the largest big cat species. False. The largest big cat is the Siberian tiger. True or false? Elephants cannot jump. True. Elephants cannot jump due to their large size and physiology, which makes jumping physically impossible for them. True or false? A group of vowels is called a parliament. True. A group of vowels is called a parliament because it's a collective term used for a group of certain animals, like owls or ravens, and it's a fun linguistic play on words. True or false? Snails can sleep for 3 years. True. Certain snail species can indeed enter a state of dormancy for extended periods, sometimes up to 3 years. True or false? All spiders produce silk. True. All spiders produce silk, which they use for various purposes such as building webs, creating egg sacs, or making retreats. True or false? Alligators and crocodiles are the same species. False. Both are from the same reptilian order, Crocodilia, but are separate families. True or false? A group of ferrets is called a business. True. A group of ferrets is indeed called a business, likely because of their industrious and active nature when they're together. True or false? Only male seahorses give birth. True. Seahorses and their close relatives, sea dragons, are the only species in which the male gets pregnant and gives birth. True or false? The blue-ringed octopus is one of the most venomous creatures in the world. True. The blue-ringed octopus is indeed one of the most venomous creatures in the world, with a neurotoxin venom that can be deadly to humans. True or false? Beavers can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes underwater. False. Beavers can hold their breath for up to 15 minutes. True or false? A group of jellyfish is called a school. False. A group of jellyfish is called a smack. True or false? The tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an elephant. True. Their tongue is about 18 ft long and can weigh up to 8,000 lb. True or false? Crocodiles are more closely related to turtles than to snakes. False. Crocodiles are more closely related to birds than to turtles. True or false? Bees can see the color red. False. They can detect blue and ultraviolet light but are unable to see red light. True or false, cats are lactose intolerant. True. Many adult cats are lactose intolerant, and consuming milk can lead to digestive issues. True or false, owls have excellent night vision. True. Owls are adapted to low light conditions, making them effective hunters at night. True or false, all polar bears are left-handed. False. This is a common misconception. True or false, butterflies taste with their feet. True. Butterflies have taste receptors on their feet, allowing them to taste the plants they land on. True or false, all penguins live in cold climates like Antarctica. False. Some penguins, like the Galapagos penguin, live in more temperate climates. True or false, koalas are bears. False. Koalas are marsupials, not bears. True or false, camels store water in their humps. False. Camels store fat, not water, in their humps. True or false, bats are blind. False. While some bats have poor eyesight, many can see quite well. True or false, a giraffe's neck has the same number of bones as humans. True. Both giraffes and humans have 7 spinal bones. True or false, honeybees can recognize human faces. True. Honeybees have demonstrated the ability to recognize and distinguish human faces, which is an essential skill for their foraging activities and social interactions within the hive. True or false, alligators can run faster than most humans. True. They can run up to 17 mph or 27 km/h faster than most people. True or false, chameleons change color to blend in with their surroundings. False. They change color in response to temperature, light, and mood, not necessarily to match their surroundings. True or false, penguins can fly. False. Penguins are flightless birds. They are powerful swimmers but cannot fly. True or false, kangaroos can only move by hopping. True. Kangaroos are the only large animals that move by hopping. True or false, sharks are mammals. False. Sharks are fish, not mammals. True or false? All snakes are venomous. False. Many snakes are non-venomous. True or false? Cows have 4 stomachs. True. Cows have a special stomach with 4 parts to help them digest tough plants. True or false? Dolphins are fish. False. Dolphins are mammals, not fish. True or false? A group of flamingos is called a flock. False. It's called a flamboyance. True or false? Owls can turn their heads 360 degrees. False. They can only rotate 270 degrees. True or false? Gorillas are herbivores, also known as plant eaters. True. Gorillas are primarily herbivores, consuming fruits, leaves, and vegetation. If you liked the challenge, subscribe to the channel and check out the videos below.